that you don't get to eat, and the pulp just stays on it. It falls off the tree with the pulp, and it stays on it and dries. So it gives it this soft, cushiony surface on the outside, and then you have that hard surface underneath that soft, cushiony surface,
Right.
which is the shell, and then the nut inside. So it makes it difficult for the machine that is built to crack the California almonds to crack the Jamaican almonds because of that soft cushion that's on the outside. And the California almonds, all you're getting is the shell, which is more dense. It's like a bottle. So once it hits against something, it just pops. But the Jamaican almond, if it hits against something solid, it bounces off.
Yeah, it's still got
Because it's soft and it has that cushion to give it more play.
It's still got life to it.
It's still got that
Yeah.
life to it. So it makes it much harder than that. Yeah, and it's a more harder, thicker nut than the nut.
Yeah, and less affected by the chemicals.
By
that
the
we've been
chemical
putting-
and the genetic modifications and all that. Because from our research, what we've learned is that the regular almonds, which is the world almonds, which is the California almonds,
almond, yeah.
they've been developing it from in the 1870s or something all the way up to like the early 90s to make it. They combine other nuts with the almond nut to make them bigger for commercial purposes.
Right. Same
So-
thing we do with chickens and cows
Right,
and everything.
right.
All of our production food sources.
Right, right.